Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Another meaning of justice is swallowing individual rights. The opposite of justice, then, is oppression, in the sense of taking the rights of some and giving them exclusively to others, or to take away someone's rights and give them to another, or to discriminate in the sense that some people are given their rights and others are not. The meaning of God's justice is to neither remove the rights of a person nor give the rights of one to another, or to discriminate between people. He is just in all senses of the word and the reasons. Oppression, whether it is by way of taking away a person's rights, or by way of giving the rights of one to another, or by waste and discrimination, does not exist in the pure essence of God. He never punishes a person who does good, and He never encourages a person who does evil. No one will be held responsible for the sins of another. He does not burn the wet and dry together. If everyone is in error in a community, except for one person, God separates the accounts of that one person from that of others and does not punish that person along with the sinners.
شهد الله أنه لا إله إلا هو والملائكة وأولو العلم قائما بالقسط لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم.
Allah witnesses that there is no deity except Him, and so do the angels and those of knowledge, that He is maintaining creation in justice. There is no deity except Him, the exalted in might, the wise.